Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to For the Moon of Cancer. How you doing, guys and gals? Everyone, it's good to see you. Let's start off with me thanking the return subscribers for your love and devotion. For those who are new, please have a seat. Let's enjoy the energy of the reading. Not all readings are positive. Not all readings are negative. Some are coming with lessons. Some are showing us that we've learned our lessons and we need to quit standing still and take some action. And that's always a great feeling. I like that one. So, let's see what's in the air. Sun, moon, rising, is wherever Cancer's significant placement is located. The first card out for you is, I'll pull my own hair. That hurt. Tender spot. Alright, first card out for Cancer is the inner truth. That also may be a tender spot. This feels like that you're reaching deep to get a knowing, to get a new understanding, to see things differently. Let's see what the Circle of Life says with the first tarot card. The King of Swords. Well, holy cannoli. Look at that. He means business. No, I'm not playing about my Cancer. I'm not playing about my ideal. I'm not playing about my action. This is serious business here. This one thought it over. They recognize the importance of the truth, of opening. It's like a pecan. You got to crack the shell open, and so you can enjoy the meat on the inside. I don't know why that's important to say. Now, there finally got me to do your daily affirmation, Cancer. So let's get that done, alright? Here we go. Daily affirmation for Cancer. Here, what would you like Cancer to know, see, feel, think for the next few days? That even though you thought it over, that even though you made a plan, that sometimes things don't work out exactly the way you planned them. Oh, I see the point here. Cancer sure wants you to quit trying to determine the ending before the beginning starts. It says today I am flexible. Today I will adapt to changes in my life with an open mind and a positive outlook. I like that for you too. That's very soothing. A positive outlook and an open mind. Okay, not what I planned, not the way I intended for it to go. But you know what is happening exactly the way God, Jesus, Spirit, angels, ancestors, archangels designed it to go. This is a part of my path. So with the tarot we see, I like the pager cuts. because it's very uncertain. It's very uncertain emotion. It may not be on a granular level, but it's like, wow, I'm so glad now that things did not work out the way I had determined that they would. Because that would not have worked out good for me if this is working out so much better. And the Knight of Swords. I feel like that is someone rushing towards you. I just said that exactly. Yeah, I think it's someone rushing towards you that has something they want to say to you. Let's see. They want to say to him because they're like, hey, Cancer, you're very special to me. You're very wonderful. I really want happiness with you. I see the possibility in my future of things working out and coming together for us. Now, whether that's in love, friends, co-worker, this could be a new job opportunity that's going to put your family on easy street or open up doors for the next generation. And then because you get these two hearts all the time, something is really coming down the pipe for you. It's got your name all over it. It's something that's going to enlighten you completely. And the 4-1. This has, y'all see me, I'm picking up the hearts in the Bible, for sure it tells me to, okay? You can't make this stuff up. Something is coming towards you, and whatever it is just for you. It's not anybody else's lesson that Cancers. It's for your long-term happiness, for your family. It feels very generational. Many generations are going to benefit from this opportunity that's coming towards you. It may be love. It may be that you're going to experience a new way of thinking that's going to allow you to quit being so, don't get mad at me. Alright, go ahead, I don't care. I'm a Cancer son too. Quit being so damn bossy. Quit being so damn you. I mean, seriously. It's learning that sometimes you give a little to get a little, which has not been one of your strong suits of your life. And the King of Swords is here again, double consolation. You're gonna have to let go of your control issues, bottom line. And she wants you to learn flexibility. Now that does not mean he is going for what you desire. It doesn't. What it does mean is that you're going to change your mindset on determining the outcome of a situation and let it come together naturally. And the world that will start a new cycle. It's going to end the old way of being and start a new cycle for just you that's going to affect generations to go. Because they are going to see your progress, see how happy you become, see how generous in heart and soul you become. And what you don't see coming, the magician. Spirit has already given you all the tools that you need. This is not about a master manipulator. No one is manipulating nothing. Not in this one. No, this is about your tools. And you see that, guess what? You had the strength to do this the whole time. You had all the air, you had all the earth, you had all the water and all the fire. You need to create this storm of love and happiness for yourself and your family. You possess it all along. You just had to overcome your control issue and allow things to unfold naturally. Learning to have that open mind and positive expectations of what would come. I like it for you, honey. This is beautiful. Male or female energy, it don't matter. I don't read for gender. One last part. I love it. What you didn't see coming was that you had the power all along. Well, last card, the Queen of Wands. Yeah, I love it. The more flexible you are, the more open-minded you are, the more you have that positive outlook, the more appealing you will be, and so will your energy. You will literally be glowing, create new bonds, new friendships, celebrating connections that are equally balanced, connections that are with equal give and take, which is always in your dream. Dreams, it's a dream come true, and the dream did come true. It will come true, because you already possess everything. Let go of your control issues, Cancer. I love you. I'm gonna start working on that going line. Let's do it together, alright? If you like this channel, please hit subscribe. Hit like, hit that notification bell. Don't hesitate to click yes to get all notifications. And remember, I love you all dearly. Namaste.